Hey guys, A1 Mike here. Just want to show you what normally comes into the shop. This is an 84, 85 Evo bottom breather. These are stuck on like death, old style tin seals, single wiper, no spring. Horrible ports and guides. For $4.95, this is what you get back. Decked 190 intake, 1630 exhaust, both oversized. Fresh pocket port. Clean everything up. Deck everything, top and bottom. Fresh Andrews heavy duty springs. Fresh cut on the top of the guide for modern valve seals. And powder coating's extra if you want the extra touch. This is actually a powder coated one. A little extra money, but for $4.95, this is what you get back.